On the morning after a blizzard for the ages, there was a kind of glorious serenity to almost everything. For sure, in Washington, there were also the kind of annoyances that come with every big winter blast, but after some 36 hours of near constant snowfall, it stopped. And happily, for millions throughout the region, the big melt began.
It's Sunday, and the sun is out in Washington, D.C., and we're very happy to report that.
Though they've been at it since Friday, today the cleanup began in earnest. More snow on one weekend than normally falls here in 12 months. Thing is, say what you will about Americans. Oh, they don't know winter. They would know a snowstorm if it hit them. Well, this was a snowstorm, and this one hit hard. Consider any of the litany of time-lapse videos now showing up on YouTube. This one's from Virginia. And this is Maryland. The storm broke records all over the place. Here's the view from CBC's office in Washington, a couple of blocks from the White House. In New York, to aid in the cleanup, this plea from the mayor.
Do not drive if you don't have to, unless it's really urgent.
Not that that stopped everyone, even as the snow fell.
Start spreading the news.
As you might guess, eventually these guys got stopped by police, but they got off with a warning. Indeed, there was a serious side to the storm. It left more than 20 dead, and many thousands of air travelers remain stranded. Still, where winter storms are a novelty, the feeling today, run with it.
Charge!
A few blocks north of the White House and a mega snowball fight, where the strategy was obvious, even if by some ignored.
Duck.
It may have packed a punch, but in the end, the storm also brought a pretty decent wintry vibe.
Get some bubbles up.
And besides, it won't last forever. Paul Hunter, CBC News, Washington.